You shot yourself?
Yes, but it's okay. Marla, look at me. I'm really okay. Trust me.
You met me at a very strange time in my life.
Your hand on his arm, a stacked charm around your neck, strung out and thin, calling some friend, trying to cash some check. He's acting dumb, that's what you've come to expect. Needle in the hay, needle in the hay, needle in the hay. Needle in the hay. He's wearing your clothes, head down to toes, a reaction to you. You say you know what he did, but you idiot kid, you don't have a clue. Sometimes they just get caught in the eye, you're pulling him through. Needle in the hay, needle in the hay, needle in the hay, needle in the hay. Now on the bus, nearly touching this sturdy retreat, falling out, 6-inch pallet, dead sweat in my teeth. Gonna walk, 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 4 more blocks, plus the one in my brain. Downstairs to the man, he's gonna make it all okay. I can't be myself, I can't be myself, and I don't wanna talk. I'm taking the cure so I can be quiet wherever I want. So leave me alone, you ought to be proud that I'm getting